Hi, I'm Phil Dwyer with 3Bar Bio and Harrell's. Together they've created this new product called Azo Root. Azo Root is the first ever system that brings live microbes into the turfgrass professionals' array of options to use to enhance rooting on their golf courses, athletic fields, and lawns. Within this cap here is a freeze-dried bacteria separate from the growth media that it's going to expand in. So when you're ready to use it as a turfgrass manager, you turn this cap, it injects it into the growth media, you wait 3 or 4 days, and then it's at the highest, freshest concentration to do the awesome work that it can do of growing new roots. We're going to meet a couple of turfgrass managers today who have been using this for the past 2 seasons and get their ideas on how it's performed for them. How long have you used this product, Azo Root?
We started last year at a time when I didn't think it was the best time to evaluate a root product because it was headed into the summer months. But I thought, yeah, we'll give it a try. And so we tried to spray it on a couple of greens and see what it would do. And I actually felt like I saw root growth at a time when it was very difficult to grow roots. So I immediately got an interest in the product because I didn't expect to see what I saw. And seeing is believing for golf course superintendents. I mean, we're very visual people. And when I saw that, I was like, okay, I think we got something here.
And what were some of the things that you did see?
Well, we definitely saw what I would call better root mass and better root length. I feel like we saw better turf health on some fairway areas that we had sprayed it on. We split a fairway in half, and I felt like that fairway was performing better.
So when we first brought the Azo Root concept to you, what were some of your general thoughts or skepticisms even about it?
Well, I thought immediately, oh, here we go. You know, I can't spray a fungicide 3 days before or 5 days after. There's all these complications from all these other products that I've seen that are like this. And I was kind of like not interested until you kept talking about it and telling me how it worked and how the packaging was and how long it stayed viable after you activated it. So immediately there was a lot of things that were troublesome years ago that all of a sudden, hey, they've solved that problem, they've solved that problem, they've solved that problem. I think they might have something here.